Hi everyone, I'm Fern here. Today I'm going to make a cheese garlic muffin. So I'll be using the flour that is a German wheat flour type 405, which got the patented grain washing technique to give healthy and clean flour. And this one is a Norcia, it's a sourdough. It gives 1 to 5% of the flour weight. It's high acid combined with a unique aroma, delicious taste, and dark color. And the other one is a berry mix. 3 to 5% of flour weight need to use. Natural preservative, chemistry free, and help to increase shelf life. Now I'm going to start how to make the muffin. So we will do the wet ingredient first. So we will put the sugar in, and followed by the egg, oil, and milk. Once it's done, we just put aside. And we're using the German wheat flour with the baking soda, baking powder, and the salt. We'll put into the dry ingredient. And this is a berry mix and the Norcia. So just slightly mix well, and we just enhance the flavor. We put the garlic powder and some parsley. You may put more if you like, because some people might not like the parsley and the garlic. If you like the garlic taste, you can put more garlic powder if you like. So once you mix well, you just add in the wet ingredient. And you just slowly mix well, the flour will do.